Members of the Fourth Estate. So this morning we are here at Central Police Station because of the issues that all of us are aware of. And with me, I have the two DIGs, and we are also accompanied by the chair of IPOA, Independent Police Oversight Authority, because they are the ones undertaking the investigations as mandated by the law. So I have a brief chronology of events that led to the death of Albert Omodi Ojwang. On Friday, 6th June 2025, Albert Omodi Ojwang was arrested in Homa Bay County by DCI detectives for the offense of false publication. Records indicate that he was transported to Nairobi, where he was questioned by officers from the DCI headquarters on Saturday. He was later booked at the Central Police Station at the occurrence book number 136/7/6/2025 at 21:35 hours. During a routine cell inspection, Ojwang was found unconscious. He was immediately rushed to Bagathi Hospital for treatment, as documented at the occurrence book number 9/08/06 of 2025 at 01:39 hours. Upon arrival, he was declared dead. Given the circumstances surrounding the incident, it was necessary to investigate the death in accordance with regulations governing death in police custody, and in line with the statutory requirements. The Independent Policing Oversight Authority, IPOA, was duly notified to commence investigations. Additionally, to ensure a thorough, impartial, and expeditious investigations by the Independent Policing Oversight Authority, I ordered the interdiction of the following officers with immediate effects. Number one is the officer commanding the station, that is the Central Police Station OCS, the duty officer who was on duty during the night in question, the cell sentry on duty at the time, all officers who were on duty at the report office that night, and any other officer found to have been on duty or otherwise involved during the incident. The National Police Service remains committed to upholding the rule of law, human rights, transparency, and accountability within the service. And we will provide all the necessary support to the independent investigative agencies in order to resolve this case, and we will provide further updates as the investigation progresses. The National Police Service condoles with the family and friends and relatives of the late Albert Omodi Ojwang and asks for their patience as we get to the bottom of this matter. Thank you very much.
Two questions. One is the status of what really transpired inside the cell. Yesterday we received an update from the OCPD, Mr. Stephen, and he told us that alijigonga kwa ukuta then wakati anapelekwa hospitali Nairobi akakufa. In your position, have you established that? Is that the true position? And the second question is about Bagathi, the transport from the police cells to Bagathi Hospital and then declared dead. In an hospital where there is a mortuary, that is Bagathi Hospital, there is a mortuary. Why didn't the officers or the Bagathi Hospital take the body to What say you?
The first question, I think in regard to what you got from the OCPD, my take is that that's why we have IPOA here, so that they can actually be able to establish what really happened. And remember, in my statement, I've indicated that I will be giving updates as and when we get any update that is really necessary. Number two, on the body having been confirmed dead at Bagathi Hospital, then ordinarily because it is a sudden death, then State Mortuary is the place to take so that investigations can actually be able to continue. Yeah.
One more question.
My name is
Maybe
Cynthia.
one.
I only have two questions. One, about the
One.
false publication.
One question.
About the false publication, you mind clarifying what exactly it was and what who it was against, so that the public can know?
Say again?
The false publication. What was it exactly, and who was it against? Who was the complainant? That magazine.
Let me put it this way. The reasons as to why the late Ojwang was arrested, together with a few others, is because there was a complaint that had been launched by the DIG KPS about his name being tarnished. So it is on that basis that investigations were actually being carried out, because he also have got a right to be protected by the same law. Thank you. The last one.
You have two DIGs. You have Mr. Mbele and Mr. Lagash. Maybe we can understand. Maybe who ordered for this arrest? Then again, what does suspending officers mean? Because the suspect was decided. So if you suspend the officer, what does this mean? Are you confirming to take responsibility of the
No, we have not suspended them. We have interdicted to allow for speedy investigation, to ensure that there is no interference whatsoever with these investigations. That is basically the reason why we have interdicted them, and it is provided for in the regulations. Yes.
Do you expect some action like maybe head rolling, maybe pointing out that one DIG?
So what is going to happen? Once they are interdicted, we allow the investigation to continue, and then at the end of the day, we are going to get a way forward from IPOA. If any one of them is found to have committed an offense, then so be it. The law will deal with it. Yes, thank you very much. I think that's okay.
That's okay.